Hello again, Stephen Jackson from Ayrshire SEO Company. Right, in this short video I'm just going to show you how to um, upload your files to your server using a free FTP program. Now if you've already got an FTP program that you use, that's fine, but the one I recommend is Filezila. It's a free one that's pretty much used by everybody these days that uses free stuff. There's obviously a few versions of it. You get versions for Windows, you get a version for Mac, Linux, source code, checksums. So whatever version suits your needs, all you need to do. In my case, it's a Windows PC I use, so this is the version I would use. So just click on Filezila 132 Setup XC, which will take me to the download page, where it should automatically start downloading. Now I've already got this installed in my PC, so I wouldn't actually download it, but I'll just show you what happens. You'll get a dialog box asking you if you want to save it to your computer. Obviously click save. As I say, I've already got it on my PC, so I won't bother, so I'm just going to cancel that. And then all you would need to do is go to once it's downloaded, go to your downloads, double click on the file in your downloads, and that should start the automatic installation process of Filezila onto your PC. So when you've done that, you should have an icon on your desktop that looks like this, Filezila client. So you just double click on that and you would get your program. Now on the left hand side is basically everything that's on your PC, desktop, documents, all your hard drives, what have you. And all you need to do is scroll to where you've saved your program files. Now in my case I've put it on in a folder called mobile, which is on my desktop, and all you need to do is go to where the website files is, and this is all your website files here. Now obviously on the right hand side is going to be your server pages, you know, everything that's stored on your server. Now to get that to come up, all you need to do is put in your hosting details, which you'll get from your hosting company for your FTP access. You put in your username and then you put in your password, and then you just click quick connect, and that will connect you to the server. Now when you connect to the server, it will probably be the root directory, which will look like this. All you need to do is scroll down to public HTML, double click on public HTML, and then in your case you probably only have one domain. Obviously I've got a multitude of domains that I manage for myself and also for other clients. So you scroll down to wherever your mobile website is going to be. So in my case, in the example that I gave earlier on, it's m.theamazingself.com. So just double click on that, and that takes you to the root of your mamazingself.com. Now to copy all your files across, all you need to do is click on the bottom one, then scroll up to the top. Your last file is CSS, and all you do is hold the shift key down and click on CSS, and all that does is it selects all your files. Then all you need to do is drag them across into your root directory and release, and what that'll do is it will copy all your files. Now I've already done it, all my files are already in here, as you can see, and that's basically it. That's all your files uploaded to your server. Now to test it, all you need to do is open up your browser window again, and this is the domain that I just installed all these files to. So all I'm going to do is add the prefix to my subdomain, which is the m.theamazingself.com. So I'm just going to click m.theamazingself.com, hit enter or hit the forward arrow, and there's your mobile website. Yeah, obviously this is just an example mobile website, it's not yours. But when you do it, then you will have it as your mobile website. Now to make sure that everything's functional as a mobile website, all you need to do is come to, if you go back to the sales letter, there's a link to an iPhone emulator, which is this one. So it's http cloneforsuccess.com mobile page creator iPhone PHP. So I'm just going to put in that web address of the example that I showed you. So it's http / m dot the amazing self.com. Make sure I spelled it all correctly. I have. So I'm just going to preview that now. And voila, there you have it. A perfect mobile website. As you can see, it's fully functional. Back to home. Callback request. And the great thing about mobile websites, if you haven't actually realised it, is you can actually make a call just by clicking on a link within the website on, if you're using your mobile phone, which is great for restaurants, bars, hotels, that sort of thing, where people, when they're actually coming to your website, it's probably because they want to call you or contact you or to find where you are. And another great thing about a mobile website on mobile phones is you can actually bring up Google Maps. And well, a lot of the iPhone apps these days is you can actually, if you go to Google Maps and then you give them the location where you are, they'll actually draw you a wee map showing you how to get there. So there you have it. Thank you very much for taking the time to listen. If you have any problems, by all means get in contact with me. You can reach me either via email on support@ayrshire.seocompany.co.uk, or you can call me on my mobile or my home phone, and you can get all the details obviously from my website, which is ayrshire.seocompany.co.uk. Alright, thanks for your time. Any problems, give me a shout. Cheers, bye.